Hi guys, and welcome back. So this video is very different quality to what I am normally used to filming with. I'm actually filming with the webcam on my camera on my laptop at the moment because the biggest thing for this video is I broke my camera. I broke my camera just over a week ago, and unfortunately haven't sent it away to get fixed yet. Stuff like that. Maybe this week, maybe next week, I will send it away to get fixed. If not, if it is unfixable, I will be buying myself a new camera in the after Christmas sales. Other than that, that's why I'm filming on my laptop at the moment. So I was filming a recipe vlog video, I suppose, on some sugar-free, basically vegan cupcakes. And I realized I had forgotten an ingredient. Stopped filming. I put my camera down. It was still turned on. It was fully plugged into the charger and into an extension cord as well, because my charger's like that long. And it went to go get the ingredient that I needed. My cat ran past, pulled the cord, and it landed lens down, and that made it like shut off. If I pressed too hard on the lens itself, the camera would turn off. But something in it obviously has broken, because when I shake it, it completely rattles. Like there's something inside that's loose. So yeah, it landed on the lens. Didn't break the lens, but it landed on the lens. It turned off. Something inside has broken, pardon me, and it won't turn on. I don't know if it won't turn on because the battery is dead, or if it won't turn on because it's broken, but it also will not charge. So when I plug it into the charger, there's a tiny little orange light that lights up above the charger plug hole, and that light turns off when the camera's fully charged, but the light won't come on. And I had a look, and it looks like there's a little bit that's like changed shape, like it's bent a little bit. So that's why I am here right now. I mean, it would be much better quality if it was light outside, but you know, my mum was home this weekend, and you know, it's just everything going on. But yes, this is why I just want to sit down and film a little bit of an update so you guys know if there's no videos, that's what's going on. It is going to cost me $40 to send my camera away to get it fixed. Part of me doesn't want to send it away because I don't want to know if it's unfixable. I mean, if it's only going to cost me like $200 to fix it, then I will probably just fix it. I was going to upgrade anyway. I mean, if it's going to only cost me like $200 to fix it, I might upgrade after Christmas anyway and keep the little camera that I had as a vlog camera or like a backup. I think I might just upgrade anyway because I want a better quality camera. I mean, the camera that I use is fine. It worked totally fine until I dropped it. But I did just buy that to replace my phone. Now, my phone that I currently have is the iPhone 7. The camera on it is great, but I cannot get any video to import to my computer. I plug it in, all photos import, but the videos come up like error and it can't import. So if anyone has that issue with any iPhone on a Windows computer, I have never had this issue with any other like Apple product I've had before, and it has not just been since I dropped my phone and shattered it. It has happened since the day I got that phone. I have not been able to import any video. So if I vlog or film something, I'm going to have to email it to myself. I have a separate email for my YouTube than my home email, so that's okay. But you can't email video files over a certain size, particularly on phone and iPad. If I was emailing it on my computer, it might be a bit better, but I mean, it won't import. And I've tried even going through my files, like into the phone itself to retrieve them. I can't do it that way. So if anyone has an iPhone and their videos can't import, please let me know. how you fixed it, if you fixed it, because I have tried everything. Every photo imports just fine. I'll get my charger, I'll plug it in, and I've had genuine Apple cords, cheap like $6 Kmart cords. I'm currently using like a $20 Energizer, like the battery Energizer brand cord. They all charge fine. I've never had an issue with them. The only thing is I cannot get my videos to import. So if it wasn't for the fact that that happens, I would film on my phone, which in one way might have better visual quality than my actual camera. But I have broken it. I have broken my computer. No, I have broken my camera. So that's why we're sitting here right now. I can wait on my empties video. Maybe next weekend. I might film, if it's okay, like weather-wise, I might film just my September and October favorites combined on my laptop, just because there's so many things I want to talk about. So then my November and December favorites combined can also be my yearly favorites. That video, if I have to get a new camera, that video might go up a bit late. If not, I will probably just have to film it on this if I cannot get my phone, to import videos. I have gone through even the deepest settings in my laptop. I mean, I have gone into the entire basic system of it and changed things. I mean, I cleared out all my RAM on my computer and freed up like 50% of my RAM myself just by googling how to lower your RAM, and I followed all the steps and did it. And there's all these things that I could try that if my videos wouldn't import, I tried them and it won't. So if you guys had this issue and it was a faulty phone or something, please let me know, because I have cracked my phone as well and dropped it. So that also needs to be fixed. That will be getting fixed this week, definitely. Yeah. So, main point of this so far, I've cracked my phone and it needs fixing, and someone please tell me how to import my videos. And 2, my camera's broken. Also, another little update, I have started applying for more jobs. This is not a requirement, this is not something I have to do, this is something I want to do. My main goal for 2020 is to move out. 2020, I'm moving out. There are a couple of places I have seen online that I can afford right now. However, if I want to be able to really save up money and still just do things with my friends, like even just go to the movies on a $10 night or go out for $10 pasta night or something, or I'll put petrol in my car, you know, things like that, I need to earn a bit more money than what I earn right now. So I have applied for second jobs. There are like a couple of casual jobs and a couple of other part-time jobs I have applied for. So I am actively looking for a second job. I knew how long it took me to get my first job, so I'm not actually expecting anything anytime soon. While I was actually having to apply for jobs because of my job search agency, I actually had been offered 3 interviews, but I did turn them down because I was not looking for second jobs at that time. However, now I am genuinely interested in a second job. So I've chosen more clothing retail side of things rather than food. But there's also, we're getting Taco Bell here in Newcastle. It is so good. I've never tried Taco Bell, but I love Mexican food and I've heard Taco Bell's amazing. And it's like the first one in New South Wales. There's apparently 5 in Queensland, but this is the first one outside of Queensland and it's coming near me. And so I've actually applied for that. I clicked casual and part-time, but if they turn around and offer me a full-time position, I don't know if I can say no to that. I mean, part of me like really, really wants to say yes to a full-time job there, but at the same time, I feel so bad if they offer me a full-time position and I have to leave my current job because the current job I have, I love them so much. Like, I'm not even kidding, they basically saved my life. I was starting to get excessively stressed and things like that, because I wasn't getting a job. And so now I do have one, but I just don't quite earn enough in terms of budgeting and things, and still maintaining my car, and just other little things I need to keep an eye out for. So I'm 21, I still have 4 years left of being allowed to be under my parents' health insurance. So I mean, once I turn 25, I have to get my own health insurance, because I think 25 is the cutoff. So I mean, it's just everything. I need to start preparing for the future as well. And so, I mean, the only reason why I'm not searching for full-time positions is because I don't want to leave my current job. I love them so much. Everyone I work with is just incredible. I mean, they might think I'm an absolute idiot and that I, hate some people. I don't know, dislike some people, but honestly, like, I love working there. I love working with everyone. I mean, they are now my friends. I have one friend from school that I talk to all the time. Other than that, it's like maybe once a week, once a month, every now and then maybe I talk to my other friends from school. If I haven't actually physically seen, like, the one friend I talk to every day, I've seen her multiple times this year. My other friends, the last person I saw that wasn't actually her from school was like the 6th of September last year. So, yeah. Yeah, looking for a second job. So YouTube may be getting less and less. At the moment, I'm still uploading once a week. I believe if I am working 7 days a week, I can still sit down and film one morning and upload it for the next week. I mean, not necessarily filming and editing on the same day. I mean, I can take 2-3 days to edit if I have to. So I will try and still upload once a week like I am. I have a few videos filmed. I have a makeup tutorial, I have my Halloween look filmed, I have my Christmas makeup look filmed. So those things are okay, but like, I really love doing the decorating my bedroom for Christmas like vlog, and where I've put that stand at the moment, that will just get shoved back in my wardrobe in a couple of months, because I'm going to put a Christmas tree there. And like, I wanted some cushions. I don't know if I quite want to actually get some cushions for the lounge, because then I have to find somewhere to put them when it's not Christmas. But I have a Christmas doona cover. I've actually turned my bed around the other way. This here is the foot of my bed. So instead of it being like my headboard being against this wall where it's in front of me, it's actually against the wall beside me now. That's my fish tank. I mean, I've hung up these little hooks. I mean, there are things I've done. But yeah, main point of this little rant was broken my camera. Don't know how to use my phone, and I'm getting a second job. Don't know if it'll be in this first round of applications, but I am so looking forward to it. Also, by the way, these big red marks on my face are actually from my glasses. I actually cannot even really see what I'm doing on my screen right now, because I am like blind as a bat now. My sunglasses, which I know are hanging up on the hooks behind me, they are cheap, like $5 sunglasses from a retail store we have here called the Reject Shop. I actually just bought those because they were sturdy. All the other ones I had were like, all the other cheap ones I found were like ready to fall apart. So they fit me perfectly, they're nice and dark, but because they're not prescription, they have wrecked my eyes. Not to the point where I need a new prescription, but I basically can't see. I can't read anything, and I basically almost can't see without them on. So, but I need to take them off about half an hour before I go to bed, because otherwise if I take them straight off and literally go straight to bed and close my eyes and it's dark, I wake up in the morning and my eyes hurt. So, and I need to like put them on even before I get out of bed, like that's how bad it is. So My eyes are very picky at the moment, but yeah, if my prescription doesn't change, I didn't realise I'm supposed to get my eyes tested once a year, and that was supposed to be done in May. Oh well, so in May I will go and get my eyes tested again. I don't think my prescription will change much unless something dramatic happens between now and May. I really don't think so. It always could. But if my prescription doesn't change, I might buy myself a second pair of glasses because there's a few times in the past few weeks that I have left my glasses at home because I've either been in bed reading or I just took them off and put them on my bedside table, or, you know, left them at home and got to work and I have no idea what I'm reading on the registers because I can't read a thing. So I need my glasses on full time. I've already asked about getting contacts, and apparently my prescription cannot be put into contacts because I've got 4 different levels. Like, they're super strong down here and the ones higher up are like barely anything. Because I can't read. So that's the end of this really silly rant. I'm going to go edit it and upload it now. So thank you guys so much. Yeah, please answer the questions down below. And I'll see you in my next video.